New records keep happening every day for SHIB, but what's the true meaning behind SHIB's ambitious mission? The crypto giant reclaimed its previous all-time high, with the meme token quickly following. What's interesting to note is that Shiba Inu is going even faster than some of the largest cryptocurrencies on the market. It has reached new highs, especially in the last 2 weeks, leaving the investors perplexed and wondering how this could have happened. Disclaimer: the opinion voiced here is not investment advice. It's provided for informational purposes only. It doesn't necessarily reflect our opinion. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your research before making decisions. We don't recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. So what's going on with SHIB lately? Recently, McDonald's has been very active on its Twitter account. McDonald's continuously make memes and makes fun of crypto investors, especially now that the market is down. Recently, they tweeted a picture of a drive-thru and a tractor. What made this interesting is the reply from Elon Musk, who simply replied using a splash emoji. In a recent tweet, McDonald's stated that something big is coming. This led to people claiming that McDonald's will soon accept Dogecoin as a payment method. Although this seems like nothing, such a reply gave hope to cryptocurrency enthusiasts that McDonald's will accept Dogecoin. But will McDonald's accept Dogecoin? Everything started with Elon Musk tweeting about an offer for McDonald's. In his tweet, he claims that he will eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Doge as a payment method. This would be a win-win situation for both McDonald's and Dogecoin. One day after the tweet, McDonald's quoted the tweet by saying that they would accept Dogecoin as payment if Tesla accepts Grimace Coin. The latter didn't even exist back then, so McDonald's was making fun of Elon Musk for asking for such a thing. However, this joke did not kill the hype of Dogecoin's community. Most of the community, including the creators of Dogecoin, believe that McDonald's will accept Dogecoin. McDonald's recent tweet gave them even more hope that such a thing will happen very soon. A collaboration between McDonald's and Dogecoin would serve as a great publicity stunt for both parties. If McDonald's would offer a new product that you can only purchase using Doge, crypto enthusiasts would go crazy. Moreover, Satoshi Kasama, Shiba Inu's developer, revealed its partnership with Welly's, an Italian fast food restaurant, in a blog post. Welly's new mascot is Shiba Inu dog, and its new tagline now refers to the meme's coin's mysterious creator named Ryoshi, conducting its complete rebranding. The fast food chain has also modified its marketing strategy and menu. Interestingly, the store will have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's rival meme coin, as another possible option, while the SHIB cryptocurrency will be used as a means of payment at the store. Satoshi also shared that the restaurant menu includes some healthy options, claiming the food will be extremely high-quality food. He says although Welly is a burger joint, they understand how necessary it is to have vegan, vegetarian, and healthy fast food options. To cater to all such needs, the restaurant also plans to introduce more variety in their menu upon the inauguration of our flagship store. The team aims to expand worldwide. However, at the moment, there is only one store located in Naples. They don't believe in the notion of partnering with huge centralized conglomerates. In the announcement video posted earlier, alongside a new cartoonish logo design, fans got a few hints at the nature of this latest partnership. The partnership is already bearing fruits. If you can't believe it, there's a fully functional Welly's location in Naples, Italy, serving up burgers and fries. And this isn't even the only big deal coming from SHIB this month. Kusama hinted at another big announcement coming this month at the end of his Medium post. Despite the enthusiasm, however, SHIB fans weren't exactly impressed by the fast food deal. As such, the token is down today. While the announcement did little to raise investors' expectations, SHIB fans are holding out hope that one bite of Welly's will bring back hope for the pupcoin. Is the partnership just a publicity stunt? Many believe the partnership is only a stunt. The team asserts that it's long-term. Developers have also implied that they're looking to implement blockchain-based tracking along with the Layer 2 solution waiting to be launched, Shibarium. But things won't be easy for SHIB. Tesla CEO Elon Musk reportedly recently suggested McDonald's accept Dogecoin. However, in response, the fast food giant jokingly asked the mammoth to accept Grimace Coin. American multinational chain Burger King, at the expense of the crypto community, even tried to increase its engagement. Mr. Beast Burger, a restaurant chain founded by Mr. Beast, the famous YouTuber, assured that it would add Dogecoin as its support if Musk retweeted their post. But SHIB is not stopping there. Shiba Inu team announces another powerful partnership to change the course of fashion industry. Shiba Inu entered the fashion industry by partnering with John Richmond, an English fashion designer based in Italy. Shiba Inu recently made an exciting announcement for all Shiba Inu holders that John Richmond has officially partnered with SHIB for cutting-edge fashion collaboration. The information is made public via tweet. John Richmond has followed Shiba Inu's official Twitter handle especially to make this historical announcement public. The partnership is said to be launched on the final day of Italy's Fashion Week and the first day of Paris Fashion Week. This partnership will enable SHIB to step into another industry with great energy. The lead developer of Shiba Inu in this event posted a tweet and said this is another powerful partnership which will change the fashion industry forever. However, further details about their partnership are not yet disclosed in detail. Formerly on February 14th, SHIB's official Twitter handle has officially released a video teaser. Most Shiba Inu community members try to crack the puzzle upon watching the teaser. Some concluded that SHIB might collaborate with clothing brand Forever 21, whereas few were thinking about John Richmond. However, now the secret has been unveiled officially by SHIB, but still we're waiting for some more details about the announcement. Many usually know John Richmond is a rock and roll brand, as some of the biggest names in music have a special love for this brand. Madonna, Mick Jagger, and Annie Lennox have all been dressed by Richmond, whose collections are often influenced by musical movements. John Richmond is a true legend in the artistry and vision for the world of fashion. Today, the SHIB Army embarks on a journey that's set to show the beauty behind design while collaborating in the digital space.